Tomatoes are seasonal fruits. They are usually found in abundance and cheap when in season. They are perishable, and unfortunately, we do not have means of preserving or storing them. Tomatoes are a very important part of Nigerian diet. They are very nutritious as they contain important nutrients like vitamin A and vitamin C. They also contain mineral elements like phosphorus and potassium. Tomatoes are also rich in folate, beta-carotene, and lycopene. These are antioxidants that can help boost immune system and fight free radicals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fresh tomato paste and how to preserve it for as long as 12 months. The first thing to do is to separate the bad, the unripe tomatoes from the good ones. This is directly followed by washing the tomatoes with clean water to remove any unwanted materials from the tomatoes. With the aid of a grinding engine, grind the tomato into a paste. Boil the paste for about an hour or until the juice is properly boiled. As the paste is boiling, add some salt to it. Now sieve excess water from the paste. The filtrate, that is the water, can also be consumed. Now wash the anaerobic bottles and the covers. Dry them in the sun properly. Now fill the anaerobic containers with the paste and cover it properly. Get a big pot, put some quantity of water into the pot and submerge some sacks into the water in the pot. The sack is to prevent the anaerobic containers from direct contact with the body of the heating pot. arrange the containers in the pot carefully. Add enough water to it. Now cover the pot and heat for about 45 minutes. Make sure the content of the pot boils very well. Bring the pot down from the fire and allow it to cool down. Take the bottles out of the pot and keep safe. Now your tomato paste can remain fresh for as long as 12 months. Observe the lid of the anaerobic containers as the content cools down. Lid with depressions are signs of good sealing. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.